First, read word by word, try to draw the figure, see what is the difference here. മരുന്ന് കൊടുത്തിട്ട് പണിയാ ഡിലേ ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. See, after doing these many questions, I understand that this chapter has a lot of calculations, but still, how many of you feel that it's manageable? It's not that difficult. Hmm? It's manageable, right? It's not that difficult. It's okay if it is difficult, yeah, because of calculations. We feel that, but just want to know if it's manageable. And I also want to know kids who find it difficult. If there is anyone who finds it difficult, I'll have to sit with them again. Textbook questions are about to finish, I feel. Done?
Wait, ma'am.
Yes, done.
Ma'am, can you please check what I just said?
Yeah. Nathania, your diagram is correct. Move forward. Panache. Panache, your diagram is correct.
Mom,
Yeah.
Mom, is it 163.54?
Who is this, Naisha? Naisha, don't say the answer. Just send it to me, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Because otherwise
Ma'am, could you once again go back to the question?
Yeah. Lechu? Neha Lechu vidando. Lechu?
Ma'am, can you please go back to the question?
കൊടുത്തിട്ട് വന്നിയാ. I think in both house? No, only one house. Guys, is it done? What is happening? There is a glass. They said the juice seller is serving juice to the customers using a glass. Okay. The glass is like this. Now, the inner diameter of the cylindrical glass was 5. That means this is 5 by 2 or 2.5. But the bottom of the glass had a hemispherical portion. So, it is like this, which reduced the capacity of the glass. If the height of the glass was 10 centimeter, what is the apparent capacity of the glass and what is the actual capacity? So, what is the apparent? Which formula will I take? Huh? Tell. Apparent capacity. Which formula will I take? What happened? Why nobody is saying? Apparent capacity. Which formula will I take, guys?
You minus the volume of the whole thing with the volume
No,
of
no,
the
no.
hemisphere.
That is the actual. But what is apparent capacity? What do you think?
Won't it
Volume of
the volume
cylinder.
of the cylinder?
Yeah, so what is that? 3.14. They asked us to take 3.14 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into h. H is how much? 10.
10.
So, what will it happen? 5, 3, 1.52. Did you all multiply?
Yes, mom.
How much is it?
Ma'am, I got 62.5 pi.
That is,
I got the same answer, 62.5
after
pi.
multiplying this,
Yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah.
multiply it with pi now.
1.52 into 25 into 5. 5 cube is 1.
I got 196.25.
Yeah.
Ma'am, even I got
What
196.25.
multiplication did you guys do? Nitanya, Azishta?
One second, let me check again.
I thought of multiplying pi later.
That's okay. Oh, like that. Even then you can.
Yeah.
Okay, so let us keep it as pi. Pi. So it is
Yeah, ma'am, with multiplying it with 3.15, I'm getting 196.25.
196.25 you are getting. So I'll
25.
also write
Yeah.
that now. As of now, I'm done. So 196.25. And what is the volume of the hemispherical portion? Because what's happening is that much will be reduced. See, this much portion is reduced in the juice. When you're
You
getting the
subtract
juice,
the hemisphere's volume.
yeah. So what is hemisphere's volume?
32.71.
32.7 formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. R cube is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. Calculation. Did anybody do the calculation?
Mom, I got 10.41 pi.
What is the final answer coming, Nitanya?
I'm still doing it for pi.
Okay, do it.
Mom, wouldn't it be 19.6?
Final answer.
No, for volume of cylinder.
Not 19 point. You would have missed your 10 then.
No. Yeah, I got it right. I'll send it to you.
Second one is 32.71. Now you
Ma'am, I
have
got
to
68. I got
huh?
32.68.
32.68.
Is that fine?
Yeah, that is fine. How did you used pi as 3.14, right?
Yeah.
Let me see. And what all you
I
calculate?
think I just used decimals. I didn't use
Mom, I
fractions.
got 32.6864. Yeah,
So for 2 by
32.68.
3, what did you use?
For 2 by 3, I just used that. I multiplied 2 with everything apart from pi and divided it by 3.
Divided it by 3. Okay, that much
And I
is
didn't use the fraction. I used the decimal.
no
That's what
problem.
changed.
That much is okay. So now if you find the difference of these two, 163.54. Are you getting that? Whoever is getting different, please send it, because if there is some minute change, I'll try to figure it out.
Ma'am, is the final answer one? Okay, continue.
10 minus 2 by 3 into...
Ma'am, is apparent capacity just the cylinder's volume?
Hmm?
Apparent capacity is just the cylinder's volume, right?
Yeah, because that's what the customer feels.
Okay.
19.6 into 8.3. You are using 22 by 7, Atishay. They asked you to use 3.14.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm sending. Ma'am, I used 3.14 and I got 161.85.
Is it? Let me do your calculation process also that you did. What you did is pi r square h minus 2 by 3 pi r cube. You took pi and r square common, so that is h minus 2 by 3 r, which is 3.14 into, how much was r? R was 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. H was 10 minus 2 by 3 into 5 by 2. This both cancel. Then 25. Okay. One 0.52 into 5 into 5 into 30 minus 5 is 25 by 3. 25 by 3. Okay. So how much?
Ma'am, I got 163.56.
That's correct, Nitanya. 1.52 into 25 into 25.
Ma'am, can you check where I went wrong?
Yeah,
Because
I'm checking. I'm checking 1 minute.
I got 161.85.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1.52 into 25 into 25 into 3 divided by 3. Yeah, when I did your method, I'm getting 163.
Ma'am, I think it's because I took only one decimal place. Maybe I should have taken more.
Actually, 2 decimal places are required. and you are getting this difference because you're also using 22 by 7 here, right? So decimal places,
Question asked 3.14.
yeah, at least 2 places is a must, okay? That is why that small variance is coming. Did
Yeah.
everybody get this answer, guys? Now there are 2 methods to do on the board. So whichever method you are following, please follow. So did you get the answer? Hello? Can we go to the next
Yes, ma'am.
question?
Ma'am, the actual capacity is 32.71 centimeter cube, right?
No, 163.
Isn't that a hemisphere volume?
No, that we subtracted na here.
Yeah, and we got 32.71.
The first one for the cylinder it was 196.25. For the hemisphere it is coming 32.71. Then you subtract, so you are getting 163.54.
Okay.
This is a easy question. Speed up. Are you done? नहीं तो അവൻ ഇട്ടിട്ട് പോയി അവൻ ഇട്ടിട്ട് പോയി അല്ലാണ്ട് എന്നിട്ട് സാറെ കൊടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട്. Yeah, cube. Draw it like this, okay? So that you also get used to the drawings.
Ma'am, I got 6.75.
For this answer, are you sure?
No.
Ma'am, I 190.93. Even I got
Let me see.
190.93.
So this is your figure. Now we have a Find the volume of the largest right circular cone that can be cut out from the cube whose edges is 9. So if my my cone is here, it will definitely be, right? Tongue. So what will be the, you tell me, what will be the radius of my cone?
9 by 2 or
9 by 2. Very good.
4.5.
And what will be height of my cone? It has to fit in this cube.
Ma'am, 9.
9. So what is the volume of cone?
1 by 3 pi r square h.
Pi r square h. 1 by 3 into pi. They asked us to take anything. So I will just go with 22 by 7. They did not ask us. So 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 into 9. Right? So 2 and this is 11. 3 3s are. Anything else? 7? No. 30. 1 minute. Yeah. Ajay? Yeah. Now calculate. We have 14 down. 33 into 81. 33 into 81. How much is it? 4, 2, 5, 6. So 2673, right? 2673 by 14. How much is it coming? Anybody who has completed?
190.9.
3.
190.93.
Okay. So that is the answer. Try to understand the diagram carefully, kids, in order to do this correct. So here we observe that the biggest cone has to fit. So if it's the biggest cone, definitely it will cover the base of the cube. That means the diameter has to be same as the edge of the cube. And when it is standing like this, even the height has to be equal to the edge of the cube. Correct? When you draw like this, you get it much clear. Are you all okay? Now let's go to the next question. Who all remembers Mayank question? Anybody remembers Mayank's question? Nobody?
Mom, I remember it from school.
It is 9th grade question.
Yeah, I remember it vaguely.
Mom, I think I was absent.
Yeah.
I remember it vaguely.
Try to think what kind of diagram it will be.
Ma'am, can you show the figure?
You want me to draw the they've given the figure? Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
they have. Is that okay? Be careful about the units.
Ma'am, what is that hemispherical depression they were talking about in the question then?
Yeah, here we have. So if you look at it,
Can you show the question?
I have no idea what I'm. I have no idea what I'm doing. Is that water or sugar?
normal.
Is that water or sugar or? No, some sour. No, but it tastes like
Mm. Yes.
Ma'am, could you show the figure once, please?
Yeah. This is the figure, but if we understand, he made a bird bath for the garden in the shape of a cylinder with a hemispherical depression at one end. And it's a hollow cylinder. Hey, this is easy, right? I don't know what was so.
Ma'am, can you go back to the question?
Ma'am, is it area like TSA of
Why TSA, Panache? Why will we take TSA? Look at the question carefully.
Ma'am, can you go back to the figure?
Ma'am, we have to find the CSA of the. It was CSA of both the cylinder and the, hemisphere, right?
Yeah, it will be something like this. This is what your figure should look like. So if you are
Okay, fine.
painting, you will paint here, 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 and here. So what all you need?
Ma'am, what about the
Yes,
bottom?
yes, yes.
You're not painting the bottom. It is kept in the park.
Oh. But we should paint the whole thing, right? They didn't mention something like that.
They said it is hollow. It is hollow cylinder. So if it is hollow, actually this portion will be like this only, right? Look at the bottom. There is a
Yeah.
stand. You see the stand?
Mom, I sent it to you. Can you check?
You should give me like this answer. You either give me the full answer, no, Nitanya?
But I don't want to multiply pi.
They have given you pi as 22 by 7. You have to do full, otherwise how will I get it?
Mom, can you check mine?
Let me see. Yeah, that's correct. Please consider the unit conversions and do it properly. You converted everything to centimeter square. But value is not correct. Somewhere it's wrong. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi square. Where are you going wrong? That's what I need to understand. 145 plus 30. Values are all correct. 44 into 30 is how much? 44.
Ma'am, is the answer 33000 centimeter?
Hey, yaar, just check now your calculation, Atishay. Last third step. Atishay, check last third step. Yeah, what are you saying, Ovia?
Ma'am, is the answer
Don't say the answer.
33000?
Don't say the answer. Send it to me.
Yeah, ma'am, I got it.
Yeah, Ovia, it is in centimeter cube, right? Square. 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters?
1000.
So whenever it's more than the basic value, I asked you to do the conversion, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So convert it into meter.
Got it.
Yeah, this is correct, Shraddha. What happened? Panash not sending anything, Pranad not sending anything, Zishta sends, Sarai is sending, Fatima is not sending, Hassan is not sending, Anthony is not sending, Atisha is sending, Aryan is not sending as usual. What is this, yaar? You keep sending once in a while. Clive, Avanita, I don't have to call every time. Safir, Simran, what happened today? Send it fast.
Mom, I sent you my answer. Can you please check?
Yeah, Zishta, it's correct. No, wait. Wait. What are we adding? We are adding CSA of cylinder and CSA of hemisphere. Correct? This is what we are
Ma'am, can
doing.
you go back to the question once?
Guys, it was there for a long time. Take down the question. It is for you guys to refer later also. Something is wrong. Give me 2 minutes, Satisha.
Yeah.
So CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi RH and this is 2 pi R square. So 2 pi R is common, H plus R. 2 into pi is how much? 22 by 7 and R is how much? Height of a cylinder and radius is 30 centimeter. So 30. Height of a cylinder is 1.45 meter. We have to convert it into centimeter. So 145 centimeter plus 30. That means, how will you calculate? You will multiply 2 into 22 into 30. 2 into 22 into 30 is how much? 1320 by 7 multiplied by 157. 175.
Mom, I know where I went wrong.
Yeah. This is after doing everything, you made the mistake after this step, Atishay, which is not acceptable. From here, it's okay, but here, that means you're already reached there. So this is 1320, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 and 5 into 25. It is straight cut. I don't know why so many mistakes are happening. Almost everything is basic
Ma'am,
calculation.
is it 330 meters square?
Wait. 1320 into 25 is 33000 centimeter square. You are converting it into meter. So if you are converting it into meter, it is centimeter square. So 2 times, centimeter into centimeter. So I need to divide it 2 times by 100 because there is centimeter
Ma'am,
square.
ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I
Yeah.
have to leave because my mom's data is almost over.
Okay, da. So it is 3.3 meter square. Always remember this part. Centimeter square, you are converting to meter square. So 2 times you have to do the conversion process. If it is centimeter cube, you will have to do it 3 times. What happened? These were straightforward questions, guys. If this you make mistake, what will I say? Done? Done? Shall we go to the next question? Why? What happened? Yeah, no one is able to hear or what?
Yeah, mom, we can.
Done? Guys, done?
Mom, 1 minute.
Mom, 1 minute. ma'am, I sent you.
Obia, 1 minute, Obia. Obia's answer. Obia, whatever you have done till then, it's correct. But is there anything else required? Read the question.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm doing it.
I don't know, not everybody is interested in sending working or whatever. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid. It's like this, something. Four conical depressions. That is to hold your pen. It's like this, conical depression. The dimension of the cuboid are 15 centimeter and 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. So 3.5. The diameter of each of the depression is 1. Diameter is 1. So radius is 0.5. And the depth is 1.4. Depth is 1.4. So you have to find the volume of the wood of the entire stand. Who's unmute?
Sorry, ma'am, that was me.
So this is the thing. This is how the stand looks like. So what do we have to do? We have to find the volume of the cuboid definitely first. Right, volume of cuboid, because from that if we remove these four cones, we will get our volume of the entire solid.
Volume of cuboid is 625.
625? 1 minute.
Ma'am, it's 525.
5 into 10 into 3.5. It's 520. Sweetheart, you're doing silly mistakes. 525. And volume of that cone will be
It will be 0.36 for one, and for four of them, it's 1.44.
1.44. Let me do it. 4 of them into 1 by 3. Pi is 22 by 7. R square is 5 by 10. 5 by 10
You
is...
can just do 1 by 2 directly.
Okay. 1 by 3 pi r square h. H is 1.4, that is 14 by 10. What can I cut? 7 and this will be 2. Anything else? 3, 44. 5 ones are, this will be 2. 2 and 2. 5 ones are, this will be 2. So this will become 11. Then 3, say if I cut this, it will be 3 3s are 9. (44 by 3). 44 by 3 into 10. Ones are 3 and 1 here. So 4s are 12. Then 2. 2 means 0. Then it will be 6. 1, 4, 6. 14.1. So answer is 1.46 or something similar to that. 1.46. So that is your volume of the cones. So from the cuboid, that is 525, subtract 1.46. That will be your answer. 10 में से 6 गया 4, 9 में से 4 गया 5, and 4 में से 1 गया 3. Then this is 2 and this is 5. So centimeter cube. This should be your answer.
I got 1.44 instead of 1.46.
4, 4. That's okay.
Yeah, I got 1.8.
Yeah,
Mom, I got the exact same thing, but instead of 5, I got 6.
Yeah, that's because of the beginning thing. That's okay.
me too, mom.
Oh, so this was good. Okay, still not completed. Still NCERT. Some more questions are there. Did you do all NCERT questions? No. One more is there. 2 NCERT questions. NCERT. Wait a minute. Do this question. I don't know. No, pen stand we did. Wooden toy.
ഞാനേ ചോറ് ഇന്നലത്തെ തിളപ്പിച്ചു വിട്ടു. അപ്പൊ എന്തിനാ അത്രമാത്രം ചോറ് ഇങ്ങനെ വന്നത് ചോദിച്ചു. രണ്ടാൾ ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ടല്ലേ പണി.
Ma'am, the figure. Ma'am, the question asked for a figure.
Yeah, 1 minute.
എന്നിട്ട് എന്നോട് പറയണേ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം, എന്നെ പഠിപ്പിക്കണ്ട. ഷട്ടപ്പ്. എനിക്കറിയാം. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു കുറച്ച് നേരത്തെ ഇല്ല പോയി. അത് അപ്പൂനെ കൊണ്ട് പോയി. എങ്ങോട്ടോ സാധനം മേടിക്കാനാണ് പോയത്. ഞാൻ ഉപ്പേരിച്ചു, മീൻകറി വെച്ചു, ചോറ് വെച്ചു.
ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ഇവിടുത്തെ പ്രശ്നം. മനസ്സിലാവുക നമുക്ക് പുറത്തുള്ളവർക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവില്ല. ഇതൊക്കെ അമ്മയോട് പറയും. ഒരു ദിവസം അമ്മയോട് മുഖത്ത് ഇൻസുലേഷൻ ടേപ്പ് ഒട്ടിക്കും മുഴുവനുണ്ട് ചെന്നു.
എന്താ ഇപ്പൊ ചെയ്യാ? ഇപ്പൊ ഡിവോഴ്സ് ആക്കാറിഞ്ഞാലും അതിനത് അക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ളൊരു ഡിവോഴ്സ് ആവാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു നോർമൽ മനുഷ്യന്
അതിനകത്തില്ല. അവിടെ ഇരിക്കും. അതിനിപ്പോ ടീറ്റു വന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു, നീ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് കേൾക്കാതെ ട്രീറ്റ്മെന്റ് ചെയ്യാതെ വീട്ടിൽ പോവാണെങ്കിൽ ഞാനുമായിട്ട് ഒരു ബന്ധം ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. അപ്പൊ അവൾ ഇവിടെ വന്നപ്പോ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു, വെച്ചു ടീറ്റു പറഞ്ഞേ കേൾക്കണ്ടേ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇതൊക്കെ വലിയ പ്രോബ്ലം ആവും, നിനക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവാണ്ട. ടീറ്റു അവിടെ പറയട്ടെ.
അതിനൊന്നും സാധാരണയായിട്ടൊരു കോമൺ സെൻസോടെ ചിന്തിക്കണില്ലതേ. കോമൺ സെൻസ്
ട്രീറ്റ്മെന്റ് വേണോ?
ട്രീറ്റ്മെന്റ് വേണം പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്ത് ഈ മറ്റേ ആൾക്കാർക്ക് അതിനുള്ള ഇതിന് ബോധം വേണ്ടേ? ഇത് പറയുന്നതിന്റെ
Ma'am, can you go back to the question?
ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ
നോക്ക് 2 മിനിറ്റ് മാത്രമല്ല. എനിക്ക് ടെൻഷനാണ്. എന്തുണ്ടാവും ഓർത്തിട്ട് ഞാൻ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ.
എന്ത് ചേച്ചിന് നല്ല പറയണ്ടല്ലോ. ചേച്ചി പറഞ്ഞത് അതിന്റെ തോന്നിയ പോലെ നടക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല, ഞങ്ങള് ഒഴിവാക്കും തന്നെ എനിക്ക് പറയണ്ട്. പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് കാര്യമുണ്ടോ? ഒന്നും കൊണ്ടില്ല. എന്റെ മകന്റെ ജീവിതം എനിക്കായിരുന്നു അല്ലാതെ അതല്ല. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്താ?
ഇതെന്താണിത്?
നിങ്ങളോട് ഓട്സിന്റെ അതിന്റെ കഞ്ഞി കുടിക്കാൻ നിങ്ങൾ കുടിച്ചോളൂ.
പ്ലീസ് ചക്കരപ്പൊടിയൊക്കെ കുടിച്ച്
എനിക്ക് വേണ്ടത് ഓട്സ് മാത്രല്ല അരിയൊക്കെ ഇട്ടല്ലേ.
ഒക്കെ ഇഷ്ടമല്ല. വല്ലാത്തൊരു കഷ്ടം തന്നെ.
നാളെ ഞാൻ പോയാലേ
മിണ്ടാതിരുന്നോ? ഒരാളില്ലേ ഇപ്പൊ ടീച്ചറിന്റെ അടുത്ത്
നെഗറ്റീവ് ഉള്ളടത്ത് നിന്നിട്ട് ഞാനാകെ നെഗറ്റീവ് എന്താ പറയണേ? മനുഷ്യ ആകെ ഒരു സന്തോഷത്തിൽ വരുമ്പോ ഇത് ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഓരോരുത്തർ അങ്ങോട്ട് പറയാ ഒരു പ്രോപ്പർ സൊല്യൂഷൻ അല്ലാതെ ഇങ്ങനെ
ചെയ്ത ഏറ്റവും വലിയ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് എന്താ പറയുക? ടീച്ചർ മാത്രമല്ല അവരുടെ വീട്ടുകാരും ആക്ച്വലി ആ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് എല്ലാവരും ചെയ്ത തെറ്റാണ്. മീൻസ് അവർക്കും അറിയണമായിരുന്നു ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ്. അപ്പൊ അവര് അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് ഇവരെ പറയാം. ബിക്കോസ് അവർ എവിടെയാണ് ജീവിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഇവർക്ക് അറിയണമായിരുന്നു അവരുടെ അവസ്ഥ. ടീറ്റൂനും അത് അറിഞ്ഞ സ്ഥിതിക്ക് അപ്പോഴേക്ക് പറയണേ
ആലോചന കൊണ്ടുവന്നു
ഓൺലൈനിൽ.
അറേഞ്ച്ഡ് മാരേജ് ആകുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെതായിട്ടുള്ള റിസ്കുകൾ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നുള്ള ബോധമാണ്. എന്താണ് നല്ലോ അന്വേഷിക്കണം. ഒറ്റൊരു അന്വേഷണത്തിലൊക്കെ ഞാൻ ഇപ്പം സൗന്ദര്യം കണ്ടാൽ മയങ്ങി.
സൗന്ദര്യം കണ്ട് മങ്ങിയത് തന്നെയാണ്.
എന്തായി ഇത്ര പണ്ടോ ഇതൊന്നും ആണെന്നില്ല. സാധാ ഒരു നോർമൽ പെൺകുട്ടി കൊണ്ടാകുന്നത്. അതെന്താ വെച്ചാ ആർക്കും പറ്റില്ല. എങ്ങനെയാണ് സംഭവം? നമ്മളെന്തേലും പറയുമ്പോ ഞങ്ങളെ ചിന്തിക്കൂലേ? എന്തേലും പറയുമ്പോ നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ ചിരിച്ചിട്ട് പിന്നെ കാര്യങ്ങളെ എന്തേലും പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടോ ചോദിക്കില്ലേ? അമ്മ ഒരു രസമാണിത്. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് ഒരാൾക്കൊന്നും മനസ്സിലാവില്ല. പക്ഷെ വീട്ടിൽ നമ്മൾ സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുമ്പോ അപ്പൊ മനസ്സിലാവും എന്തോ പ്രോബ്ലം ഉണ്ട്. എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ഒറ്റ ഇത് പോയിട്ടുണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. പക്ഷെ
മരുന്ന് കഴിച്ചാൽ ശരിയാവും. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു 10 വർഷം കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് കൺട്രോളിൽ കിട്ടൂല.
അമ്മമാര് പറഞ്ഞാലേ കേൾക്കാം.
എന്നുവെച്ചാൽ എന്നും അച്ഛനും അമ്മയും ആരും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. ഇവനും ടീച്ചർ ജീവിക്കേണ്ടത് നരകാവും.
Ma'am, can you go back to the diagram for 1 second?
Okay, last question. What did I do?
You probably pressed F5 on accident. Yeah, ma'am, just the diagram.
1 minute, yeah, 1 minute.
Ma'am, I found for the cylinder, but since the cone is a bit bigger than the cylinder, so how do we find that?
Cone is the wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on the cylinder. The height of the entire rocket is this much, while height of the base of the conical portion is given na 5 centimeter, and the base is different for cylinder, that is also given.
Yeah, ma'am, but there's like a bit of it exceeding the cylinder in size.
Yeah, so the base diameter for the cylinder and cone is different. That means
So we basically take this surface area of the base of cylinder, then we take the surface area of base of cone, then we subtract it, right?
see, wait. The
Yeah.
base of if
Ma'am,
the
so can you go back to the question?
conical portion has to be
Ma'am, can you go back to the question? I understood how to do it.
conical portion has to be painted orange. Cylindrical portion is yellow. Find the area of the rocket painted with each other in these colors. surface area of the cone.
Mom, it's CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone minus base of cylinder, yeah.
Wait, it's not that straightforward.
You have to find it separately.
You have to find CSA of the cone. Yeah, remember kids, there is a catch in this question. You know what? When you said that the cone is little more than the cylinder, you said that. That means this cone which is coming like this, this cone which is coming, there is a little area this side also which has to be painted.
Yeah, ma'am. You take the base of cylinder and you take the base of cone and you subtract it.
You subtract them. So that is the first part.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you just go back to the question?
So the part, 1 minute, the part which has to be painted orange is this portion and this portion. That is orange. This portion and this portion. Be specific about that.
Mom, isn't that basically subtracting the base, the top of the cylinder?
Yeah, base area of cone minus base area of cylinder.
Ma'am, you have to find L for this one. You have to find L, the length of the cone.
Yeah, you have to find L. How much is L coming for everybody? By now, people would have calculated L. Clive, how much is L?
I'm still figuring it out.
So how are you finding under root? R is how much? R is how much?
Uncle, you share the question. I didn't note down. I didn't write down the question.
Come on, Clive. What are you doing?
2.5.
2.5 square. And what is height? Clive, after the class, please send me your work for today.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
20.
what is height?
20.
No, cone's height is 6. You were
Oh, that's
not
not
paying
good.
attention?
Oh, no. So it's 6.25 plus 36.
Six point two five.
It's 42.25.
42.25. So guys, 42.25. How will
Ma'am,
we find the
6.5.
under root? 42.25 will be what?
6.5.
You found it?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. 42.25. 6 6 are 36. So this is 6. Yeah. So this becomes 12. Yeah, correct. So 5.5. Very good. So that is 6.5. L is 6.5. So now you have to find the area which will be painted orange. So if I say that is S is equal to CSA of cone plus that small area, isn't it? So that small area is base area of cone minus base area of cylinder, correct? So CSA of cone is pi RL, pi r square minus 2 pi r square, which is pi RL minus pi r square. But there's a problem. It's not R same. R is not same. Sorry. R is not same. Which is big
Yeah,
R.
R4.
This is big R. So that's
Cone
capital.
is bigger.
Huh?
For the cone, it's bigger, no?
Yeah, cone it's bigger, so we cannot take this. So, and base is, this is 2 pi r, not pi r, 2 pi r, this is pi r. So only pi is common, r, l, that is cone. I'll take cones r as capital R because that's bigger. Capital R, L plus r minus r square. So pi is 3.14 and inside 2.5 into 6.5, r square is how much? 2.5 square, right? 2.5 square into 2.5 square is 6.25, or else I'll write 2.5 square only for the time being, minus how much is the small one? 1.5 square. Did anybody do these calculations? For now,
I got 51.025.
oh,
Wait, no. Wait, no. Not for this whole thing. Not for the whole thing.
Okay, let us do 2.5 into, see guys, if you don't do these questions, it will be tricky. 16 point, huh? Dear, I need to check. 2.5 into 2.5 is 6.25. Then 1.5 into 1.5 is 2.25. So 3.14 into 16.25 plus
Ma'am, this is Zaki. I
4.0.
got to go now.
Huh?
Ma'am, I
What?
have to go now.
Yeah,
I
Zaki.
have
I
to go
think
now.
this is only the calculation. You can leave.
Yes, ma'am.
3.14 into by 16 and this it will become 20.25, correct? Did anybody do the calculation? So this is coming up to 63.585. It's all your multiplication and plus and minus, kids.
Mama directly sent the CSL the cone and cylinder and I just added them. Doesn't matter only what, just not
No, if
including the
you did
bases
that,
and
are you getting the similar value?
I got like when I'm adding them both I got 39.42.
Huh?
No, for the CSF cylinder I got 188.4 and CSF cone I got 51.02. So I added them both up and I just got the answer.
What is the final coming from for orange paint?
So orange paint is the cone, right? I got 51.02 something in this
Did
one.
you add this particular portion also? This portion also?
Oh no, I didn't do that.
That is why we are subtracting the base part, right? This base and this base. Because this portion is required.
Oh, okay.
That is your orange part, orange paint.
Add
Now,
that part with the what? Oh, I just add that part with the whatever answer I got. That's it.
now you have to paint the yellow portion. Yellow portion is CSA of cylinder. CSA of cylinder plus base area of cylinder. That is yellow. Yellow is easy. 2 pi RH. The R is same for both of them. So you can take pi and R common, 2H plus R, and that is 3.14 into R is 1.5, 2 into H is 20 plus 1.5. So that becomes, the yellow part was easy. What happened? Generally kids do it. Why they've not finished it yet? Forty plus this is 41.5. This is 41.5 into 4.71. So that is 195.46. See, this question is important. It's a textbook question, and at the same time, it checks how much you have understood the concepts, where you have to add, where you have to subtract, you have to take CSA or TSA, things like that. Also, your calculation is checked to a great extent. Is it done? Yes. Guys, are you done?
Yeah, ma'am.
So that's it for today. We'll see you on Monday. Okay? Huh?
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.